Virgin Galactic SPCE is a company I'm very heavily invested in long term. This stock has been getting a lot of hype lately and I just wanted to go over it. My opinion, this is not financial advice. I just wanted to give you guys my general kind of perspective of why I am buying Virgin Galactic stocks. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jerome. I'm a full-time Forex trader based here in Sydney, Australia, and I'm also working alongside Austin Silver as an ASFX coach. So the topic of today's video is just generally going over a stock, Virgin Galactic. As some of you know, I'm being invested in Virgin Galactic around the $20 mark, and I was pretty much dollar cost averaging when it was around $15. So I've been hitting this stock since roughly late August, early September last year, 2020. And recently we have gotten a lot of hype. So you may be hearing this stock in the news, you may be seeing it all over the internet, in forums. Pretty much it's getting a lot of attention, and this is something I just wanted to cover. I've been seeing a lot of people trading this stock. That's fine, but in my honest opinion, this stock is for the long term. I'm invested in this stock. I'm not looking at getting profits at high, buying in low. That is not a strategy I'm looking at doing with this stock in particular, because there is such huge potential and growth. This could be the Tesla of, space travel, the Tesla of space tourism. Richard Branson is innovating. I don't know what to call it, but there's a lot of competition around rockets, space exploration, and kind of everything in that kind of general industry. With you got Amazon with Blue Origin, you got Elon Musk with SpaceX, now you got Virgin Orbit, you got Virgin Galactic, and many other companies trying to race and compete with each other, and competition is good. So I just want to show you with the chart, you can see it's very volatile. It is getting a lot of attention from investors, a lot of attention from retail traders, and just a lot of people wanting to get involved. And a lot of the investors, a lot of people getting in, can't hold. They're selling at the 60s and they're not holding their position. They're regretting getting out. So my advice, and once again, this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion. This is a long-term play, 5+ years. Virgin Galactic have a test flight in the next 2 weeks. I'm waiting for a dip and I'll be loading up on more shares. The way I am doing that is, if you look on the 4-hour, you can see, and let me just clear all this for you. Basically, what I'm looking at is this low over here. And I'm just doing a simple Fibonacci extension from low to high. And this is how I get my cost in value. Let me just move these over. So I'm looking at getting in around $46 when it comes back down to the 618 Fibonacci retracement. I believe that this would be kind of the optimal chance before the flight, the test flight. So this is just my opinion. Once again, not financial advice. I'll be setting limit orders around 47. If the price does come lower, I'll still be dollar cost averaging in. And you got to remember, I have a lot of respect, a lot of hopes for Richard Branson. He's pioneering. He's always been a great entrepreneur. He's always had good business sense, and he's always been one to push the limit. I am up just over 200% on my position. If I just jump over to my other charts, you'll see that I have my positions on here. You can see where I've been buying. So my first position was at $25. I then brought in at more at 23. I then bought more in at 17. I believe I actually brought more around 16, but I can't remember the price. I have to double check. I brought in again at 20. I brought in again at 17 again, and this last hit right here, so 17.14 was my largest position. And I've been holding that ever since. I was meant to buy in this pullback here. This is when it spiked up. We had that all-time highs back from here. The test flight was a failure. price came down, I was meant to load up more shares here, but I just didn't get around to doing it. And now we've had this massive kind of hype, people getting involved, people getting interested, bringing price up to 60, and it's struggling to break that 60 mark for the past few days now. So flight tester got announced. I'll be loading up if it comes down to $47, like I was saying before in this chart. 618 Fibonacci retracement from the recent low. And then if it comes lower, I'll be loading up on more. So just wanted to give you guys an update on my biggest stock holding, Virgin Galactic. I believe there is a lot of other companies that have a lot of potential, but this one is my main focus for a long-term investment.